Hey guys, back with another Aurora request. I've actually had this request for a few days. The murder song 54321. So I'm going to do the same place, the live version, in that beautiful cathedral. As always, guys, need your help to get up to that 1,000 subscription mark. I know most of you guys don't subscribe when you stop by. That's okay, but I'd appreciate it if you just hit the subscribe button so we can grow the channel up and do some good things together. So I want to check this out. I'm super excited. I really, really love Aurora. She's very cool, very positive message. So again, this is the murder song 54321 live at Nidarosdomen. I hope I said that right. No offense if I didn't. You know, I can't even begin to imagine playing a harp. I can't even begin to imagine it. I mean, just the tuning alone, but you got to have some pretty long arms to reach those last strings. But what a beautiful instrument, though, for sure. See, I thought in the last video about the harpist was like out in the audience. I guess that was on purpose. Just seems kind of strange to not see her on the stage. So, kind of strange to me, but I guess that's how it was maybe planned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He holds the gun against my head. I close.
She's serious. It gives me a lot of goosebumps. I did have a comment from somebody. For some reason, it went to the potentially spam. Try to approve it. It was about Aurora, telling me about Aurora. So I want to see if I can approve it. I kept hitting the approve button and it just wouldn't go through. So thank you for that comment. Telling me about Aurora. Hopefully I can get that approved. If not, please leave that comment again so people can see it.
My eyes and back, I'm dead. I know he knows that he's calling me for mercy, and here I go. Oh, oh, oh.
You know, here we have a beautiful young woman with a beautiful voice and a beautiful message. And what a great performer, you know. Some people are just so boring on stage. You know, there are so many that just stand in front of their microphone, sing their songs, and leave. I never really liked that much. I was like people who were engaging, you know, that moved around the stage. But some of them, you know, I know Blondie, Debbie Harry, in the 90s started just kind of standing there, just not really moving around much, you know, and I always hated that. But this is very cool. And in this cathedral, again, I mean, this would have been such a great concert to have attended. I mean, wow. Can you imagine what the acoustics sound like, even in the back? Yeah, I mean, wow.
And here I go. Oh, 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 oh. He holds my body in his arms. He didn't mean to.
Do you guys see what I mean? With a stage that big, I would have definitely put the harpist up you know, up on the stage too. It just seems very odd that the harpist is way down there. I mean, that's the only thing I see wrong, with this video is I definitely would have had the harpist. There's plenty of room on the stage. I don't know what the reason was, but I kind of feel like the harpist got a little bit left out. And um, as a if I was a performer sitting way in the back somewhere like that, it would just make me feel strange. Like you're not included in the band. You know what I mean?
Do no harm and he holds me tight. Oh, hit they're all to spare me from the awful things in life that comes, and he cries and cries. I know he knows that he's calling me for mercy.
You can hear some strings going too. So you got some harp and some strings going on. And the acoustics again in this cathedral must be pretty amazing.
He holds my body in his arms. He didn't mean to do no harm, and he holds me tight.
What a voice! What a range in her vocals. Um, so many octaves. It's incredible, incredible.
Oh, hit the road to spare me from the awful things in life that comes, and he cries and
See, this is what I'm talking about. She's sitting with the audience. Um, with her, obviously her harp is mic'd. I just find this very weird, very strange, and I don't like that. I think she belongs on the stage with the rest of the performers. Maybe they had a reason to do it, but in my eyes and in my opinion, I think that harpist belongs on stage with everybody else. Certainly. I mean, look at the stage. There's plenty of room.
the gone is gone, and so am I. Am here I go.
Guys, I really love strings. I really love classical music. It's one of those things that, with strings, you can just get out such emotion through your playing. And that's what I see in this song. I mean, from everybody is just, the emotion that they're putting into this. You can tell, when it's coming out of their music. A lot of the stuff that's popular today, there's no emotion. It's just pop trash, right? That, there's no emotion. It's just to make money. There's no message to it. I mean, you don't need to make a video with your butt hanging out and all about sex. You need to be more like Aurora and have a real message. Have something positive. Um, you know, for the people. I mean, she's speaking for the people, she's speaking for us all. And, so for me to watch, like I've heard of a lot of performers, Iggy Azalea or something like that. I've never seen a video of hers. To me, it's all built around sex, and kind of how Miley Cyrus, used to be this sweet, innocent girl, and now she's just, in my opinion, just she's taking it too far. You don't need, if you have talent, you don't need to do that. Back in the day, yeah, you had a little bit of, sexual undertones in videos and stuff, but as the 90s progressed, it's all it was about sexualizing women, and that's not right, in my opinion. And then you get, female artists who allow themselves to be sexualized, or most times they're kind of forced into it. They want to stay popular, so they feel they need to strip down. And if you have real talent, you don't need to do that. And if you have faith in yourself and your talent, you don't need to do that. You need to be more like Aurora. I actually tried to play violin, but just to get the bow rosined up was crazy. I just couldn't figure out how to do it properly, I guess. But I wish I could have learned that. Incredible. Incredible performer, incredible message. All my brothers and sisters in Norway should be proud. I'm going to put these Aurora reactions in your language. So I'll try to do that for whoever the artist, whatever country the artist is from. We need more artists like Aurora, certainly. What an incredible performer. All right, guys. So those requests, are done. So thank you guys for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace.